In this video, I'm going to show you how to take some palette boards and turn it into a cute little Halloween sign. I had my Rust-Oleum chalk paint and my water mister, and well, the first step was tearing apart the palettes. So we have 4 palette boards here. I put them together and I flipped them over and put 2 boards going the opposite direction and just nailed them in. And then flipped it back over, and now I'm starting to paint. So basically just spritzing everything with water. This is going to help your chalk paint spread out a little bit better and also getting all those little tiny wood grains. I found this burlap Halloween flag at Menards, which is a hardware store here in Wisconsin. It was actually 2-sided and sewn just on all 4 edges. So what I did is I just took a scissors and cut off the seams. And then I split them apart and I 1 and 2, so I can actually make 2 signs. The next step after the charcoal dried was to stipple different kind of Halloween-y colors on the edges. So I did use yellow, purple, and orange. And just kind of, yeah, you want to put it on kind of thick. You want it raised a little bit because the next step we're going to be putting that charcoal gray paint back over everything once these colors dry. And then I did forget to record the step after that, which was to sand it all back. But you guys have seen me do videos where I sand back top coats and reveal the colors underneath. So that's what I did later on. But I took my Mod Podge and just starting from the top of the flag and working my way down in the center, just Mod Podge and then lay it flat. And then I went over the top with Mod Podge and a little bit of water, so it absorbed into that burlap, so when it dried, everything was sticking. And then once that was dried, that's when I sanded down the edges to reveal those colors underneath, which you can see here, how they're kind of popping through. And then I just took a polyacrylic spray, or maybe not, maybe this was just a clear coat sealant, and just sprayed over the whole thing and let that dry, and then that was pretty much it. Then I had my Halloween sign. So if you do decide that you're going to make one of these and you want to put it outside, do seal it with a polyurethane. That tends to be water resistant and UV resistant. So there it is. Hope you enjoyed the video.